Welcome to Homework Lib.
Okay, so I see that you need help with this problem, and so I created a table and the frequency polygon, which is easy to do. You can simply do it on graph paper if you need to. So the first thing that I did was I created let me just move this. I created a table given the information. And so I created the classes and I went right below the class right before the 1265 to 1200 and 1723, just because you have to have a class that's before your starting point and then after your starting point, even though the frequency is 0. Um, then what I did was I created my frequency polygon. So let's see, so you can see what that looks like. Because I have to go back to 0, so that's why I had to create those classes. And so what I did was I numbered my graph up to 12, and then for my y-axis, and then my x-axis, I counted by 500s, and I kind of put like around an estimated point, um, because, and then you had to find your midpoints. So at 0, so we started at 0 and at 1036, so it's a little bit after 1000. Then going up to 12 at 1494, then down to 5 at the midpoint of 1953, and then down to 4 at 2412, then down to 2 at approximately 2871, then down to 1 at 3330, and then to and then down to 3,789, and then down to 4,247. So once you have your classes, you have to find your midpoints, and then you can make your frequency polygon. So I hope that this video helped. This is the middle school math teacher signing out.